Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate handle and latches on a 90s Chevy or GMC truck. I found a kit online that comes with a new handle, trim, both latches, and both rods. So I will be replacing all of those. First step is to remove the trim. You should be able to just pull it up to release the bottom clips, then pull it down to release the top. The tailgate handle has these two levers that pull on the rods and the sides. See, this one is already missing the bushing that holds it in place. We just have to disconnect the right side. All I have to do is pull up to unclip it from the rod and then push the rod out of the bushing. Now if you're just replacing the handle, you can unbolt it and replace the handle and hook those back up. But I'm going to be taking out the rest of the system, so I'll do that next. You can still open the tailgate by pulling on both of these rods. Now on the inside of the tailgate is the 3 bolts that hold that latch in. They're all Torx 40 bolts. Lid unbolted. Pull it out. Next we need to replace one latch at a time. I have to do one at a time because they include where the tailgate cables mount, and you can't take both out without the entire tailgate falling down. So unclip one and then take that latch off. The latch is held on with 3 Torx 40 bolts. One of them holds the cable. And as you pull the latch out, the rod may stick in the handle opening, so guide that, pull it out. Now look at the new latch, the bolt to hold the cable for the tailgate uses a Phillips. I'm going to swap it over to the old bolt because I like the Torx being on all of them. If you're not replacing the rod, take it out of the latch like that. Install on the new latch like that. Now take the new latch with the rod attached and feed it in through that hole. And you might need to make sure the other end of the rod is coming through the handle hole and that it doesn't fall out of the latch. Then put the bolts in. Hook the cable on, and then repeat the process on the other side. Now slide the new handle up into the hole and then put the bolts in. Now with the handle installed, we can install the latch rods. Finally, put the trim back in. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.